Are you looking for EMS and lead light therapy? Tara, samahan niyo ako. Hi, I'm Jessica and I'm here at Evergreen Polyclinic, located at Alcabas Tower 405 Singside Road, Trade Center 1. As you can see, very friendly talaga ng mga staff dito at isa pa talaga sa mga nagustuhan ko is ang ganda talaga ng ambience dito. And after that, inasikaso na nila ako kung saan gagawin ng EMS. FYI guys, ang EMS or Electrical Muscular Stimulation is a treatment na tumutulong mag-burn ng fat, lalo na sa tiyan. After nun, isinabay ko na rin yung lead light therapy mask para sa extra glow at skin benefits. At kung goal mo rin ang glowing, radiant skin, they are offering amazing treatment like BB Glow, Hydrofacial, Glutodrip, and laser treatment. At kung nag-worry ka sa payment, they also accept Tabi and Tamara for easy installment payment. See you guys!